morning, children. Yesterday I am given 10A activity now. What will happen if the sun forgets to shine for a day? ఒకవేళ సన్ షైనింగ్ ఇవ్వడం మానేస్తే డే ఏమవుతుంది అనేది యాక్టివిటీ. నౌ ఓపెన్ కంపానియన్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఇన్ కంపానియన్ you are having this activity. Page number 53, the blanket above us. What will happen if the sun forgets to shine for a day? Write your thoughts here. For example, just you have to imagine the sun forgets to shine for a day. So what happens, children? So there will be no light. Some members are thinking like that, and there will be no morning. Yes, children? So write your thoughts here like that. There will be no light. There will be no morning. Okay, children. So, like the different thoughts here we can write. Okay, remain 3 you have to write, children, and here you have to draw one picture. Okay, then open studio. So yesterday in studio page number 50 up to 54 we are completed, and 10.6 you are drawing here, you are coloring it also, and perceive through the picture after he observed the sky at day or night. This is day or night? Obviously this is night because we can observe here stars and moon. So tick this option, and next turn the page number 56, children. During the day we can see the sun and at night we can see the stars. We see the moon on some nights. We may also see the clouds both at day and night. Yes, children, daytime we can observe sun, nighttime we can observe moon and stars. So clouds we can observe both in day and night. Yes, children. So now see here 10B activity they are given. List few activities that we do during the day and night. We are doing some activities day and night. Yes, children. So what are the activities you have to write in 10B activity? Now see companion 10B page number 54. Here look at this, children. So here we are having some daytime activities and nighttime activities. So we have to do and we have to observe here, children. See first one, fill in the blank spaces to show the differences between day and night. Add one more difference that you can think of. Here already they are given some activities, daytime activities. See breakfast, noisy, busy, bright, good morning, and nighttime sleep, good night, like that. So these all we have to segregate and here write. Fill in the blank spaces to show the differences between day and night. Okay, so first you have to write daytime. See, children, day what we have here? Sun. So one more you have to write here, then you will know. Okay, children, can you think? Or you want time? We are wake up and we go to school. Yes, children. So write here, wake up and we can go to school. So these are the daytime activities. Yes, children, here already given breakfast, noisy, busy, bright, good morning, and we can observe birds in daytime. Crow we can observe in daytime, children. And see nighttime, what we see in the sky. Already here they are given clues. What we can see in the nighttime? Moon and stars. Okay, next activities we do. Night time we can sleep, and meal we have. Dinner time. Yes, night time we will do dinner. And next, see outside. So night time, what we observe? Night time they are very quiet, and lights also we can observe. Okay, lights are on. And how we greet? Good night. Yes, children. So what are the bird we can observe in night time, children? Owl. Okay. So here we can write that birds. These are the two birds, no? Birds we can see. Okay, children. So this is the activity of 10B activity, children, in companion. You have to complete today itself. And next, see studio. See the lights come on Percy's place. He is happy and can now do his home fun. Yes, children. So what are the activities do you like to do at night, children? You know, you are observing so many activities, but what you like to do, you have to write here. Okay. So before going to this, you have to write this one also, children. We see many birds in the daytime. Yes, find the name of one bird that can be seen at night. You know, if you are observing owls, bats, nighttime, children, so write here one bird name, because we can observe at night time. And next, so what we are doing at night time? We are sleeping and we are eating dinner. Yes, children. So eat dinner and watch television and after sleep. So these are the activities we can do at night time. So you have to write, children. And next one, see, we have dinner, go to bed and sleep at night. Most of the things we do depend on whether it is day or night. For example, we do not to go to school at night. చూడండి, ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనం స్కూల్కి డే టైం మాత్రమే వెళ్తాం, మనం ఏం నైట్ టైం వెళ్ళాం కదా. సో డే టైం యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? డైలీ రెగ్యులర్గా స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళడం, అక్కడ రీడింగ్ చేయడం, స్టడింగ్. ఓకే, సో డిఫరెంట్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ డే టైమ్. బట్ నైట్ టైమ్ వీఆర్ సీయింగ్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ దీస్, most of the time we are sleeping at the position. Yes, children. And we are eating dinner, and some members they are doing some activities like playing. Okay, but here we have to write night time what are the activities we are doing. Here we can write. And next, see 10.8 activity, children. Some people like the policeman stay awake at night to protect us. Name another person who is awake at night and protects our neighborhood. If you are observing in your streets, some policemen will stay awake at the night time because they can protect us. Yes. Another one, who is that? మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్టయితే మనకి పోలీస్ మెన్ నైట్ టైం మనల్ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడానికి తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు కదా, అలా ఇంకొక పర్సన్ ఎవరైనా మనకి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారా? సే చిల్డ్రన్, ఎస్, యువర్ థింకింగ్ ఈజ్ రైట్. వాచ్మెన్. సో రైట్ హియర్ వాచ్మెన్. Okay, children, up to now we are completed today. So you have to complete these all activities, children. Next we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day.